Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a folder within SharePoint for an item with in Monday.com. We can do it either with a workflow or with an automation. I'll show you the workflow first and then we can show the automation. So I'm going to run off a button click just because that's an easy way for me to show this, but it could be off an item creation, could be off a status change, could be whatever. I'm going to select the create empty folder board and we're going to select the workflow button. So I've got a button called workflow. And now we're going to say in SharePoint, I want to create a folder for the item in SharePoint. And we can select our Microsoft 365 credentials, either select the ones that may or may not be there or have some new ones. So here now we can sign in. This uses two-factor authentication in my part. And now we're signed in. We've selected the board, the item from the first step. Now I want to choose a SharePoint site. I have one called Monday Production and a document library. I'm going to go for this one. It says select parent folder. I've got a parent folder called boards. Now we can add a folder structure here, or if we don't put anything in, it will create the folder structure with the item's name, the item's ID, but we might want to do something different. So what we can do is, for example, we can say, I want to put the board name, and I want to, instead of having, say, the item's name, we could go with a person's name. So if an item belongs to a particular person on creation, we can store all the documents in there. And importantly, we can say if the folder already exists, we can either do nothing, we can link to the existing folder, or we can create a new one. So this increments a number on the end. I'm going to say we link to the item and the existing folder. So I'm going to update that workflow and we'll go back to the board. And we can say for item belonging to David, we're going to click on the workflow button. So now with the item belonging to David, if I click on here and have a look at my secure embed, we have created a folder called David Simpson. And this, if we have a look in SharePoint, has been created under boards, under the board name, and then under the name of the person who owns it. So if we just go back to the board, we can do this. We could do this with an automation as well. So let's just show you that. If we go into manage and create automation, I'm going to go from a button click again. And we're going to create SharePoint item for folder. We select our account. We select our SharePoint site. Our document library. Let's have a look at the different one. And we can create a structure. And again, this time we're going to use the board name, and we're going to see the person's name, and that will do. And if the folder already exists, I'm going to say link to the existing folder. Oh, and we're triggering it off the automation button this time. Okay, so now the item belonged to Homer, so we've got David Simpson here, we've got Homer here. Let's click that. And that should create the automation, and we'll see. So create the folder and see what it looks like. And there we are, we've created the folder belonging to Homer here. And if we open in the browser, we can see that we have the folder within boards, within the board name, and then within the person's name. Yeah, so that's it.